This video will look at the distinctive qualities and the legal trait analysis sections of the Career Longevity Report. Let's start with distinctive qualities. If we double click on that to open it, you can see that this section lists the most distinctive traits of the individual that we're looking at. So in this case, collaborative problem solver, goal-driven, and resilient are the traits that set this individual apart from the entire database of attorneys that the Right Profile has. That database is now over 3,000 attorneys, and this individual, James Barrister, is more collaborative, more goal-driven, and more resilient than the majority of attorneys in that database. This section actually comes from the legal trait analysis section. And if we go down to that section, you can see that the legal trait analysis shows all 22 traits that are measured by the Sheffield Legal Assessment. Those 22 traits were discovered after about 18 months of research and hundreds of interviews with attorneys at large and small firms, those that left practice to go in-house or to other settings, whether it was military, JAG, or educational, and even those that left law altogether. We also spoke with top recruiters, with HR folks, and with attorney development professionals. And these 22 traits came up over and over again. The assessment part that measures all of these was developed by psychologists in Chicago. And you can see from the scales that each side has a particular pole. Neither pole is bad. If we look at the autonomy section, we can see that one side would be preferring more guidance, and the other side would be more self-sufficient. In this case, the green bar is the overall average for this trait, and that average is actually one standard deviation to either side of the middle. So the average is showing about 68% of the individuals. As we go down, we can see sections where they are shown in yellow, and that shows more than one standard deviation on either side of that range. So James Barrister here is more resilient, as we showed above in distinctive traits, is more of a goal setter, and is more collaborative. If you're wondering what either pole means, just hover over it and you'll get help.